Good morning, students. Welcome to your Montessori English class. Dear kids, open book page number 56. Book page number 56. Students, today we will read third and fourth paragraph. It was our yesterday's lesson and it's our today's lesson. Let's revise yesterday's lesson and then we will read today's lesson. Unit 11, the blue bus. Unit 11, the blue bus. Unit 11, lesson 1, the bus won't go. The bus won't go. Exercise number A, read the story. Read the story. Paragraph number 1, oh dear, the bus won't go. Oh dear, the bus won't go. Here's a bus, it's a big blue bus. It's a big blue bus. It won't go. It's a blue bus and it won't go. Now students, come to paragraph number 2. Here's the paragraph number 2. Paragraph number 2. Purp, 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 purp. 3 men push the bus. 3 men push the bus. Here are the 3 men. 1, 2 and 3. 3 men push the bus, but the bus won't go. Purp, purp, here's a car. Purp, purp, here's a car. Here's the car. Now, students, come to paragraph number 3 and it's our today's lesson. Paragraph number 3 is here. 3 men push the bus. 3 men push the bus. 2 women push the bus. 3 men push the bus and now 2 women also push the bus, but the bus won't go. Students, 3 men जो है वो ऑलरेडी पुश कर रहे थे बस को. अब 2 वुमेन जो हैं वो और भी हैं. तो ये कितने बन गए? हाउ मेनी? 1 2 3 4 5 पीपल्स ऑल टुगेदर आर पुशिंग द बस, but the bus won't go. Rum, rum, here's a van. Rum, rum, here's a van. Now kids, come to paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 4 is here. Rum, rum, no petrol. He is asking no petrol in bus. The bus won't go because the petrol is no here. The bus won't go because there is no petrol in bus. Tring, 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 tring. 4 men push the bus. 2 women push the bus, but the bus won't go. Tring, tring, here's a bicycle. Tring, tring, here's a bicycle. Now kids, underline the words in paragraph 3 and 4. Woman. Underline the woman word. WOMEN, woman. Rum, rum. Now come to paragraph number 4. Want. Underline the want word. The word is on third line. 1, 2 and 3. Third line, it's want word. And underline the tring word. TRING, tring. Now kids, it's your turn to read paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4 and also memo spellings of underlined words and write paragraph number 3 and 4 on your copy. Allah Hafiz.